Ever type something like, how do I get more clients into ChatGPT? And then got back some generic waffle like, start a social media page, be consistent, offer value. Cheers for that. Game-changing stuff. Look, if you tried using ChatGPT and felt like the advice could have been ripped from a 2012 blog post, you're not alone. Most fitness professionals are using it wrong, and that's not your fault. I've worked with dozens of fitness professionals using ChatGPT, and I've seen firsthand what works, and perhaps more importantly, what doesn't. The truth is, ChatGPT can help you grow a thriving fitness business. It can save you hours each week, sharpen your content, and even help you book more clients. That's if you know how to use it the right way. So in this video, I'll show you how to turn ChatGPT into your personal content creator, email copywriter, and business strategy coach with real prompts that you can steal today and put to work immediately. So, are you ready to stop spinning your wheels and finally get results with AI? Let's dive in. Here's the real problem. It's not ChatGPT. It's how most fit pros use it. They jump in and they type something like, write me a post about motivation, and get back a wall of text that sounds like it was written by a corporate intern who's never trained a real client in their life. It's vague, it's soulless, and worst of all, it doesn't convert. So you give up. You assume it's just not that good or that it doesn't sound like you. But that's like blaming the barbell because your squat form's off. The truth? ChatGPT can be one of the most powerful tools in your business if you know how to guide it. It can act like a content creator, copywriter, strategist, accountability coach, all in one. And bonus, it never takes a day off. But you have to give it the right inputs. You have to treat it like a team member, not one of those magic 8 balls. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. How to feed it the right prompts so that you get high performing client attracting output without the burnout. So here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop treating ChatGPT like a slot machine or a magic 8 ball. You don't just ask, write me an email. That's like walking into a coaching session and saying, hey, just give me a workout plan without telling me your goals, experience, or injury history. So instead, you need to lead it. Try this. You're a fitness marketing expert. I help busy dads in their 40s lose weight without giving up beer or burgers. I'm launching a 28-day transformation challenge. Write an email that hooks their attention and gets them to book a free consult. See the difference? Now ChatGPT has context, your audience, your product, your tone. And that's when the magic happens. The more specific your prompt, the better the output. It's like giving a coach a training program to refine versus saying, just make me fit. So think of ChatGPT as your junior team member. If you give it a smart brief, it will give you results that sound like you, speak to your people, and help grow your business. That's what the rest of this video is all about. How to write smarter prompts that get you content you're proud to post and that actually converts. Okay, let's get practical. I want to walk you through 3 real ways fitness professionals are using ChatGPT to save time and grow their business. And I'll give you the exact prompts that you can use today. First up, content creation. So let's start with content because, let's be honest, half the battle is staring at a blank screen thinking, what do I even say this week? To overcome that, try this prompt. Write a 200-word Instagram caption in a bold, motivational tone for the 40-plus audience. Theme, it's not too late to get strong. Include a call to action to book a free consult. Doing that, ChatGPT will spit out something you can tweak, post, and move on, saving you 30 minutes or more and a load of stress. And the best part, You can ask it to adjust tone, shorten it, or turn it into a story post. Boom, instant content repurposing. Secondly, email sequences. So let's talk about email marketing. This is where most fitness professionals drop the ball. You've got leads because they've downloaded something or inquired, and then silence. You don't need to start from scratch. So try this prompt. Rewrite this email to be more persuasive and focused on client pain points. Call to action, book a free session. Paste in your rough draft and let ChatGPT polish it like a great copywriter who actually knows what your audience cares about. Suddenly, your emails don't just get opened, they get clicks. Thirdly, lead magnet creation. If you're not growing your list, you're leaving money on the table. But creating a lead magnet from scratch, believe me, can feel overwhelming. So try this. Create an outline for a lead magnet called 5 Mistakes 40 Plus Men Make When Trying to Lose Weight. Make it high value and easy to consume. ChatGPT will break it down into sections, give you subheadings, and even suggest what to say in each point. So you'll go from idea to finished PDF in half the time. And most importantly, it will actually attract qualified leads. So these are just 3 ways that you can start using ChatGPT as your silent marketing partner. Simple, strategic prompts that deliver real results. And by the way, I've put all of these prompts and more into a free toolkit that you can download. I'll tell you more about that at the end of this video. Let's talk about something that separates the busy fit pros from the profitable ones: systems. Most coaches I speak to are winging it, creating content on the fly, repeating the same onboarding messages, and burning out trying to do it all themselves. But the fastest growing coaches, they think in systems, and ChatGPT can help you build them in minutes. Here's an example prompt you can use right now. Act as a fitness business coach. Create a weekly content creation SOP for a solo personal trainer who uses Instagram and email to generate leads. Include planning, creation, scheduling, and tracking. When you give ChatGPT that level of detail, it will deliver a repeatable system like this. Pick your weekly content theme based on your current offer or client questions. Plan 3 Instagram posts, e.g. value post, proof post, call to action post. Draft and schedule 1 email linked to that same weekly theme. Schedule content using a tool like Metricool or Later. End the week by reviewing performance, IG saves, comments, email clicks. Optional, batch ideas into a Notion or Trello board to save time each month. Now that's a working SOP, standard operating procedure, you can follow every Monday. Or, if you prefer, hand it off to a virtual assistant when the time's right. Imagine how much lighter your week would feel if marketing was just handled. ChatGPT isn't just for writing clever captions. It can help you run a smoother, more consistent business, even if you're a one-person show. Let's be real, running a fitness business can be overwhelming. 1 minute you're writing a program, the next you're editing an Instagram reel, chasing a client payment, and wondering when you last ate something green. If you're juggling a dozen priorities and feel like you're drowning in to-dos, you're not alone. Here's the good news. ChatGPT isn't just for writing, it's a powerful tool for getting clarity. You can literally say, I feel overwhelmed running my business. Help me simplify my weekly marketing tasks into 3 key priorities. And what you'll get back is something like, focus on 1 content theme that ties into your core offer. Create 1 strong email and repurpose it into 2 to 3 posts. Set 30 minutes to engage with comments and DMs intentionally. That's it. No fluff, no endless to-do list, just focused action built around results. You can even take it further. Break my week into themed days so I know what to focus on when. Or Help me prioritize tasks based on revenue generating impact. ChatGPT becomes like a mindset coach, helping you zoom out, reset, and take control of your week. Because burnout doesn't come from doing too much, it comes from doing too much of the wrong stuff. And clarity, that's your competitive edge. Let's zoom out for a second. Here's the bottom line. ChatGPT won't build your business for you, but it will give you the clarity, the speed, and structure to finally move forward without burning out. You've now seen exactly how to write smarter prompts that sound like you and speak to your audience. Use ChatGPT to create content faster and actually tie it to your offers. Build repeatable systems with SOPs that simplify your week. And reframe overwhelm into clear, focused action. This isn't about using AI to do everything. It's about using it intentionally as a creative partner, systems assistant, and productivity coach all in one. And when you combine that with your expertise, your story, your message, that's when things start to click. That's when you create momentum. And that's when your fitness business stops feeling reactive and starts feeling in control. If you want to start using ChatGPT the smart way with zero guesswork, download my free FitPro ChatGPT toolkit. The link's right below. Inside you'll get 10 copy and paste prompts for social posts, email sequences, lead magnets, and SOPs. A quick video walkthrough showing you how to get the most out of each one, and a bonus offer if you're ready to go even further with your fitness marketing. This is the exact toolkit I use with my one-to-one clients, and now it's yours for free. So if you're tired of staring at a blank screen, or you want to turn ChatGPT into a real asset in your business, grab the toolkit and take it for a spin. And let me know which prompt saves you the most time. You've got the strategy, you've got the tools, now it's time to execute without burning out.